The if statement is one of the most frequently used conditional statements. If the if statement's condition expression evaluates to true, the block of code inside the if statement is executed. If the expression is found to be false, the first set of code after the end of the if statement, after the closing curly brace is executed. The syntax of if statement is if expression then statements. Here in this syntax, the expression is a Boolean expression or returns either true or false. If the expression is evaluated to true, statements inside the body of if statements inside parentheses are executed. If the expression is evaluated to false, statements inside the body of if are skipped from execution. Example of if statements. In this example of if statements, class if statement, public static void main string arguments, then integer number equal to 10, if number greater than 0, system.out.println number is positive, then system.out.println this statement is executing. When you run the program, the output will be number is positive. This statement is executed. When number is 10, the test expression number greater than 0 is evaluated to true. Hence, code inside the body of if statements are executed.